Hey my good friends, Sam Haymart with Test Driven TV. It's not often anymore we actually get to see a real concept vehicle. It's just like they don't do it anymore hardly. But GMC has just shown us the Canyon AT4 OverlandX. A lot of eye candy here. So let's have a look. At the 2021 Overland Expo Mountain West in Colorado, the GMC Canyon AT4 OverlandX concept truck was unveiled, revealing the brand's vision of a fully outfitted off-roading truck that also conveys some of what the future models might offer. Based on the 2021 GMC Canyon AT4, the OverlandX concept truck gathers a lot of parts and pieces from the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 program, including upgrades to the suspension like cast iron control arms, rock rails, wider track and flared fenders, wrapping a set of 33-inch BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires, and those are mounted to 17-inch AEV Crestone wheels. From the ZR2 is a lifted suspension with those awesome Multimatic DSSV dampers all around. And yes, they threw in those front and rear locking differentials to go along with the power of the 3.6-liter V6. Built-out visuals include a custom-designed front winch-infused bumper with LED lighting built into an integrated grille bar that looks pretty hot. It all looks hip, slick, and cool in an OEM kind of way that just spells future product ideas from the pipeline. Also added are some integrated-looking tow hooks front and rear, along with a rear-mounted spare tire on a swivel bar. Accessories also include guy wires from the leading edge of the hood to the roof to brush off those branches, and an air intake snorkel to allow deep water diving. With all of this, the AT4 OverlandX has improved ground clearance of 10 inches and a better approach angle of 27.7 degrees. Now let's talk overlanding gear, because this thing has a lot of it. GMC tapped partner AEV, which provides its custom rear bumper. The rear is fully enclosed with a very good looking stainless steel topper from RSI, Smart Cap. And inside is a full suite of gear storage solutions, including one of the best drawer systems I've ever seen. Included is a full cooler and kitchenette setup, and strap-ons include jerry cans for water and gasoline, traction boards, a jack, solar panel, and a slick 270-degree awning. All of this is topped off with a rack-mounted tent from Auto Home. Granted, with all this gear, this truck is shown would be close to $100 grand to put together as you see it, but if you take all the camping extras away and the gear, what I see is a GMC version of the Colorado ZR2 in plain sight. As with all concepts, there is an element of reality, and I'm betting my money that GMC is upping their game in the coming year or so with a higher level Canyon AT4. Whatever the case, I think it's pretty badass, and we'll be seeing it in person at the Overland Expo West in September up in Flagstaff. And there, I'll bring you a more detailed in-person look. I think this thing's pretty hot. I just love concept vehicles, and maybe we're just hungry for them because we don't get them very much anymore, but this is well done. And as I said, I will be seeing this up in Flagstaff at the Overland West at the end of September, and we'll be bringing you a more in-depth view at that time. Until then, I invite you to see my latest video right there, or better yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel right down there. Either way, stay tuned.